Welcome Quiz Quest to another exciting video. In today's video we will play Would You Rather Snacks Additional Right. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like now. Let's get started. Would you rather Lay's or Doritos? Would you rather popcorn balls or pretzel bites? Would you rather nachos or cheese fries? Would you rather peanut butter or Nutella? Would you rather Pop-Tarts or toaster strudel? Pieces or peanut MMS? Would you rather cheese puffs or Finians? Would you rather Hot Cheetos or Hot Takis? Would you rather Pringles or Ruffles? Would you rather Sour Patch Kids or Swedish Fish? Goldfish crackers or Cheez-Its? Would you rather rice cakes or granola bars? Would you rather Oreo cookies or chocolate chip cookies? Would you rather Jolly Ranchers or lollipops? Would you rather Pocky or candy canes? Would you rather Ritz crackers or Wheat Thins? Would you rather Fritos or Tostitos? Would you rather chocolate or caramel? Would you rather Nutta Butter or Chips Ahoy? Would you rather ice cream or frozen yogurt? Would you rather MMS or Skittles Foreign? Would you rather white cheddar popcorn or cheddar popcorn? Would you rather cheese crackers or pretzel sticks? Would you rather salsa or guacamole? Would you rather Kit Kat or Hershey's? Would you rather cheese balls or cheese curds? Would you rather Chex Mix or Trail Mix? Would you rather caramel apples or cotton candy? Would you rather fruit snacks or fruit roll-ups? Would you rather almonds or cashews? Would you rather Snickers or Twix? Would you rather animal crackers or Teddy Grahams? Would you rather toffee or fudge? Would you rather honey roasted peanuts or salted peanuts? Would you rather Twizzlers or Red Vines? Would you rather pita chips or bagel chips? Would you rather fig bars or oatmeal cookies? Would you rather Starburst or Mike and Ike? Would you rather sour gummy worms or sour gummy bears? Would you rather Rice Krispies treats or S'mores? Here in the comments which were your chosen ones. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you in the next video here at Quiz Quest.